All right, here we are. We're gonna make some Coctel De Camaron with my bro, Moto 1.
Moto 1, Moto Uno.
Okay, and Otis is gonna be trying out. Otis, say what's up.
What's up?
There you go. You're gonna be tasting, our judge is tasting, if he likes it or not. All right. Sorry, I'm already really hungry. So what you need for Coctel De Camaron is simple. Cilantro, aguacate, cebolla. I use both, white and purple. Did I see tomato already? Yeah. Tomato, pepino, cucumber, lemons, jalapeno for those that like it. Of course, your shrimp and your tostada. Today we got some tostadas cuadradas. What you know about that? It's a good one. All right. Okay, make sure you cut them all bite size, as so. So far I have both onions and tomato, and I have the water boiling for the shrimp. Okay?
What kind of shrimps are we using today, chef?
We're using jumbo kind.
Jumbo, Camarones.
To be exact, jumbo shrimp.
Jumbo shrimp.
Okay. All right, to get your cucumbers ready, cut the ends. You just start peeling, like so. Okay, so after you have peeled it,
So what are we doing now, chef?
we're cutting the aguacates.
We're cutting the avocados.
This is a simple technique I use. I'll show you guys once more again.
So we got the cucumber cut, water boiling, tomatoes cut, onions cut, red onions cut.
Yes, sir. Okay, so you go ahead and take out the seed, right? What I do is
Who made it from scratch? You made it for the video? Not for the video.
cut that part right there. This should come out
You made
easily.
everything.
That's hard, bro.
Look at
The
that.
gardening glove.
Look at that.
One, someone one.
One more
They'll
time.
make you some
Grab
shit.
it.
They made a
Cut
Mandalorian.
one
for
slice
help.
here. In the middle. It should come out easy. Boom. Boom. Make sure you set up at least, you know, how many you're doing. All right, so after you have chopped up each and every ingredient that goes inside your cocktail, we're gonna boil the shrimp. And I'm gonna have Moto do that.
Do all of it?
Yep. Put all the shrimp in there. Once your water is boiling, you put all the shrimp in there until they start turning pink. It's mostly like 4 minutes around there, probably even less. All right, so you can see the camarones are already getting pinkish, which is how you want them. Shouldn't take that much longer. Could you see them lighting up?
Camarones.
So you can see those camarones, they're already getting pink.
All right, chef. So how do we know when the shrimp's done?
Well, once you know it, it's pinkish, as you can see now. But the point is that shrimp, you could eat it any way you like. You could eat it raw, you could eat it a little bit cooked, well cooked, and of course by tasting it. That's the best way to know. When it's ready, I took out a portion of the liquid where we boiled the shrimp that is gonna be used for the cocktail later. I'm gonna put it in here, in the freezer. We got little things here, guys. Cazadores. So you let it cool down. And can you do honor of taking out the shrimp for me, please? Here's the drain. You go ahead and dump all that out.
Dump all of it out.
Yep. All right.
What's the next step?
You ready to go? These I already had them peeled and cut up, but usually if you go super fresh, you'll have to take out the shell, take out the head, take out the poop, cut them like this, and then you have to boil them. But you save some time to get there.
Next step, chef.
Next step, leave, setup. So once you have everything ready to go, you need, today we're doing minis. So we're gonna do a little mini cocktail here. But you could go big, you can get a bowl, however you like it.
Okay.
So here are some setups of the Coctel De Camaron. We put other fruits in here, pepino, tomate, both onions. Make sure you season your cocktail soup, sauce. You can even do these if you want. There's everything seasoned. You can't go wrong with everything seasoned. Nicely. Since I'm doing mini cocktails, I'm gonna cut these small pieces, like so. Like that. Around that, cut all of them that way.
What are we doing now, chef? What's the next step?
Okay. Now what I just did, I just took a little bit of each and put it in. So start off with some red, purple onion, a little bit of cucumber, a little bit of white onion, a little bit of tomato, and just keep going like that till you think you've gotten just enough. So around there, you get your shrimp. Here you go, guys. So pretty much all that's missing here is the cocktail sauce. We're gonna go inside and cover all this, which is what I have in the freezer. And then we're gonna add some ketchup to it, to your spice, more salt and pepper if you like. But right now I have Moto. Go ahead and garnish it and finish it off. There you go. Chef Moto in the house.
Okay.
Okay, here you go, here you go.
Moto 1.
Chef did it with the knife, so let me try to get it with the
There you go,
knife.
yeah, you know, just put it on the side right there, you can.
Okay, we right there. Okay, I think we lost it.
Oh, sure, I can leave it in there though. If it falls inside, it's alright, guys.
Right there, bam.
Boom, there it is, put it on the side.
Get a fresh one.
Oh, you got another lemon? There you go. Boom, there you go.
Bam. Right there.
Right there it is. Sensational, good job, okay?
So after the garnish, what do you do now, chef?
So now we're gonna put in the cocktail sauce, which is a mixture of the water where we boil the shrimp, chilled already, and now it's already nicely cold. And we're gonna mix it with this. Half and half should be a good portion, but I'm gonna try and get it in here. So we're doing these right here. All right, do you wanna go ahead and pour half in each and every one of them?
Half, right? Up to the half point?
Right, halfway should be good.
That's
A little
one.
more than
Yep.
that.
Go.
Two. With the fire, Chef the Bomb.
You good right there, good job. Boom.
Mucho.
He's kind of passing the half there, but it's alright, it's okay. Get a bit excited. Alright. So once Moto put already into the V8, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the juice that was left over, guys.
So, any finishing touches that you need to add, Chef?
Yes, sir. Right now, I'm actually finishing it off with some black pepper.
Black
Maybe
pepper.
some more salt on top.
Salt.
We, of course, still need ketchup. Don't forget that.
And some lemon.
And some limon. So I'm gonna squeeze right now.
Some lemon.
Just like that. We're gonna go ahead and grab some ketchup. So here's the finished product. Pretty good to me. Let's try it out.
Salud.
Okay, come on.
What are you doing now, Chef?
Alright, since we already had a little cocktail party, there's still many ingredients left. What I'm gonna do is get some crab meat. I'm already softening it up here. I'm already breaking it apart. And then I'm gonna add the same ingredients that were for the cocktail. Same ingredients, the tomato, both onions, the pepino, minus the avocado, unless you want to, but most people don't put it in there. Then it gets all mushy.
What's the next step?
Alright, so grab a bunch of the ingredients and put them in there. Grab like a handful of each. Put them in there and we're gonna mix them. Grab almost half of that. Yeah, get half.
Alright, then what else, Chef? That's it.
Look, some red onions right here.
So red onions,
Cucumber.
cucumbers,
Put a bit more onion in there. Put more tomato. No, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Put that baby in there. Right, there you go. Put some in there. There you go. Alright, too much, man. Alright. That's what you're looking at. And then with clean hands, just mix that baby. Mix it, mix it, mix it. We're gonna add, don't forget the cilantro. We're gonna add it right now. Okay. Keep mixing, mixing, mixing. Okay.
Do you chop up your cilantro, Chef?
Yes, sir. I'll show you. For now, I'm improvising with a plate on cutting, but don't do that. But you have a cutting board, go ahead and use your cutting board. Like so is fine, guys, you know. You can even do it more finely chopped if you want, but I really don't want to mess up my knife. So you're gonna keep it like that.
So what are we doing now, Chef?
Alright. So we added some cilantro. Now we're adding. Hey, quiet that phone down over there.
Okay.
Alright, so we're putting some lemon. And pepper and salt. I'm over here helping out. Appreciate it, appreciate it.
We eating.
We're eating and then we're gonna shoot a music video. I wanna keep y'all up to date. That we always moving, man. We know what we gotta do.
So these are basically the same ingredients from the shrimp cocktail, right, Chef?
Right. So it's the same ingredients, only that instead of, you could even add some shrimp in here. You could try some shrimp, cut it up and put it in there and have a crab meat and Camaron ceviche. But in this case, we're just gonna make jaiva. Alright, so after the same ingredients that we put in there, no, let me grab. Alright, so another option is putting everything in a bowl. You know how earlier I constructed it and I put like a bunch of each ingredient on here? So this time I mixed it all up and I put the ingredient and the water in there.
I seen it somewhere.
Mixed it all up, put some more salt and pepper to your tasting, added ketchup, and here when you taste it, you know, to make sure it's good.
At the RJ show, when you're at the booth, that's right.
If it needs more, whatever you add it, but it's not. So you get even scoops of everything.
Like, oh yeah,
There you go, guys.
Tropicano, all that shit.
Coctel De Camaron.
My homie for sure knows them. If he's from Florida.
Yeah,
Cook it up if you want.
like,
Everything's put in a bowl, and I just scooped everything inside onto here.
Oh, I like
With
that.
the garnish
I
is
think
still
I
here.
need one of those.
Alright guys, so let's continue our little cooking video. Right now we have a busy video, as you can see. We got Moto over there. We're still gonna do this cooking video, because we gotta finish it. Alright, so when we're done, we have the Jaiva and everything ready, you can see. Right, we have it mixed up, we put it in the fridge a little bit while we're doing a little thing over here. What I do is get tostadas, like I said, we got the square ones this time. Yo le pongo mayonesa. Con mayo on it. And with this one, doing that.
So what are we doing right here, chef?
What's up? You done with your music video? You know what I'm talking about? So I put out after the Jaiva's done and everything. Go ahead and put some mayo on, like tostadas, whatever. Thank you, Otis. Otis right there, guys. Right.
AKA Thanos.
Hey! What I need to do is there.
So what's the official name of that dish, chef? That's fancy right there.
It's done. Alright. One more. Nice.